Hello and welcome to the Telecom Shop. This is a tutorial on how to set up a GN Netcom 9120. When you receive your GN Netcom 9120, you will receive one headset with headset band, one base station, one power supply, one base station stand, and one connection lead. And there is also an optional GN Netcom GN1000 handset lifter. I will now demonstrate how to pair a GN Netcom 9120 headset with its base station. First, place the headset in its base station. Then connect the power supply to the bottom of the base station. Once it's connected, you'll see red and green lights flashing. Once these go out, your headset is then paired. I will now demonstrate how to set up a GN Netcom 9120. First, take the small connection wire and place it into the telephone port on the base station. Then take the other end and place it into the handset port of the telephone. We then take the handset curly cord and place it into the handset port of the base station. Then we can apply the stand and replace the headset in the docking station. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative.